Time to wake up, Chuggington.
Hello little chuggers, welcome to another toy review. Today I'm going to show you the Wilson carry case from Chuggington Diecast collection.
Wilson, to the rescue!
This case is made of a very durable and hard plastic and is all custom painted with no stickers. Wilson measures 11 inches long by 5 inches wide and 7 inches tall. It's very easy to open and fits 17 die casts. Yeah, that's right, 17. This case is perfect to carry your diecast around. Alright little chuggers, thanks for watching this video and click the link on top if you want to see these diecasts in action using the Training Yard playsets.
Chuggington, chugga chugga chugga, chugga chugga chugga.
Chuggington.
Chugga chugga chugga, chugga chugga chugga.